Greetings to all. We are the students from Babu Jagjeevan Government Degree College, Narayanguda, Hyderabad. We have done Jignasa student study project titled Vitala or Panduranga Temples in Hyderabad city under the supervision of Dr. Govind Vittalrao Deshmukh sir. Myself, I am K. Deepak. Introduction. Cultural interrelation between Andhra, Telangana, Maharashtra have been developed from Shatavahana period. Due to influence of Maharashtrian people, so many Telugu people adopted the deity of Vittala. We have visited this Jangal Vitoba temple in Gauriguda. Temple sites. Nearly 200 temples of Vittala in Andhra and Telangana such as Koyikuntala, Adhoni, Anantapur, Elluru, Paidi, Ongol, Chilkagudi, Venkata Krishnapur, Atharambu and Matkar. Review of literature. Tenali Ramakrishna, Annamacharya, Puttaparthi Narayanacharyalu, Satya Narayana Das wrote plenty of literatures. In Telangana, Bolashankar Narayan Das, Pandarnath Maharaj, Govind Shastri Yella Reddy, Ganapati Maharaj, these devotees have written in Marathi language and their medium of Kirtana was to praise and worship Lord Vittala. Now my friend Vishant will continue.
Objective of study. Researchers observed so many forms of Vittala in Andhra, Telangana and Maharashtra as Saivism and Vaishnavism of Vittala. In this above connection, we plan to find about bhakti or devotion of the Vittala deity with a special reference to the cosmopolitan Hyderabad city, which include temple structure of Vittala, icons, sculpture, ritual, their custom, religious and cultural interaction within Kannada, Marathi and Telugu people. Methodology. For this study, we applied survey method of Vittala temple. In the survey of 22 Vittala temples in Hyderabad city, we collected data from temples, epigraphs, icons, art and architecture. The secondary sources are literature about Vittala and interviews of devotees and Vittala Bhakti. We adopted comparative method. Now my friend Karan will continue.
The survey of Vittala. The survey of Vittala temples. Temple architecture. Sri Keshav Swami Bhaganagarkar was a great worshipper of Lord Rama and he constructed Vittala temple in Jayaguda during the medieval period. It had 36 pillars of Garbhagruha and there is Antarala and 24 pillars of Natmandapa. The area of this temple is nearly 40 by 40 feet. Near Gavliguda or Mahatma Gandhi bus stand, Hyderabad, there is Vittala temple called Jangil Vitoba temple. The architectural style of the Shikaram of this temple is replica of famous Shikaram of Pandarpur Vittala temple. Right down to detailing and style. This is the Shikaram of Jangil Vitoba temple near Gavliguda, Hyderabad. This is Rukmini Pandurang Devasthanam temple behind Tobacco Bazaar in Rashtrapati Road, Secunderabad. Rukmini Pandurang Devasthanam behind Tobacco Bazaar, Rashtrapati Road, Secunderabad. Temples. The Garbhagruha constructed in Dravidian style. The Garbhagruha is situated in the middle of the temple. Sheshai Vishnu icon is on the Garbhagruha and Gopura. There is Antarala. In the middle of the main temple, on this Garuda Sambha, there is one epigraph. In this Telugu epigraph, it was written that Chennaji Patal had constructed this temple on 20th February 1918. Now my friend Arjun will continue.
Icons of Vittala. Icons of Vittala and Rukmini arranged separately in Jayagadh temple. Icons of Vittala Rukmini Bhaji Bagh temple Pura is very ancient compared to the icons of Vittala Rukmini in Pandarpur temple. Mukuta on the head of the Vittala and the nose ring of Rukmini seem to get typical Telugu style. And Rukmini Panduranga Devasthana. Vittala has a mustache in Chamundeshwari temple and Vittala temple Pilkana Sanjaynagar Jayaguda. Standing Rukmini wear earring, nose ring and wear a silver mukuta on head in Boyguda Vittala temple. Vittala temple of Musarmag there is an icon inserted 135 years ago. In Gauligуда there is icons of Vittala Rukmini, the main god of Rama temple. Enter below the Rama temple long called as Vittala temple. The icons of Vittala Rukmini temple Boyguda, Secunderabad. Now my friend Dheeraj will continue.
Other icons of Vittala. In the Vittala temple of Shahali Bandar Lal Darwaza, Islamia Bazar, Devi Bagh temple near Ekminar Masjid Nampalli, Sultan Bazar and Nimboledda. These Vittala Rukmini icons are beautiful. Noteworthy icons of Vittala Rukmini in the Panduranga temple near Charkaman opposite Agra Hotel. Vittala have won the silver mukuta in the head and Rudrakshamala in the. According to devotees, those icons are similar to that of Tirupati Padmavati icons. It is the South Indian manifestation of Vittala. It is the icon of Vittala Rukmini in Jangli Vitoba temple. Sculptures and paintings. Regimental Bazar, Secunderabad. There is a temple of Vittala which was constructed in 1954 by a Tamilian person, Kannabiraj Mudliar. In this temple, paintings are influenced by Tamil culture. And in Sanjaynagar temple of Vittala, the paintings are influenced by Telugu culture. In Jangli Vitoba temple, Gauligуда, there are marvelous sculptures of Marathi saints like Saint Naneswar, Saint Tukaram, Saint Senanvi. And on the shikara of this temple, there are marvelous sculptures. On the Gopura of Rukmini Panduranga Devasthanam, there are sculptures of so many deities. Now Deepak will conclude.
Conclusion. Vittala temples of Hyderabad city were influenced by Vaishnavism. Vittala Bhakti in Hyderabad city is not depend upon royal patronage like Vijayanagara Empire. But the Vitala Bhakti in Hyderabad city is flowing due to the fate from common people. Epigraph about Vitala in Pandharpur, Maharashtra, dated Shake 1011 and 1095 to 1099. Taluka Repalle, district Guntur, Andhra, Shake 1064 and 1066. So many Telugu people names like Brahma Samudra, Lingayya, Padumaya, Hemaya, Chennava, Elubai, Ishwar Swampedi, and so on. On this basis, we conclude that in Andhra and Telangana as well as medieval Hyderabad, there were plenty of Vitala devotees from long ago. Findings and suggestions: the most of the temples are in dilapidated conditions. They need donations for the renovation and maintenance. We urge government and people to donate fund liberally for the maintenance of these temples. Thank you.